Fox News' Scott Wolchek is diving into what these workers are pushing for and how the company is reacting tonight.
Chance of no contract, no work, but this time it's the Blue Cross Blue Shield workers. And what you may not realize, they've actually been out on the picket lines even longer than the UAW workers going up against the big three. They say they're looking to end tiers and they want a better cost of living.
Don't get sick tonight. Blue Cross is on strike.
Around 1,100 Blue Cross Blue Shield workers are on strike across Michigan.
We don't want to be out here, but we need to be out here in order for us to make sure that we're fighting for what we need.
And what they say they need is better pay, the ending of outsourcing of their jobs, and retirement health care.
It's really unfair. It's actually kind of senseless to work for a health care provider and then retire and not have health care insurance.
Sharon Taylor has worked for Blue Cross Blue Shield for a decade, but she joined just after the deadline to get into Tier 1. That means if she goes on medical leave, she gets 70% of her pay. People before her would get 100%.
So I don't get the same benefits as those who've been here 11, 12 years. So.
But you've been here for 10.
Yes, exactly.
Blue Cross Blue Shield is not commenting beyond its initial statement when the strike began on September 12th, stating that the company has contingencies in place to continue services for its providers and customers across the nation. Some services, especially ones over the phone, may have longer wait times due to the strike. It encourages users to try online and app services.
I talk to the members, the customers, the everyday people, so I know that they're affected by this. So in that aspect, it's not good, but at the same time, for me personally, it's necessary.
And it isn't easy. These workers are making strike pay, which caps out at $500 a week. Remember, they've been at this since the 12th.
For those of us who are used to getting way more than that every 2 weeks, it's a little rough. But with us and community and having resources that are being given to us from the region and international, we're doing okay.
Blue Cross Blue Shield said in a statement that it's hoping that negotiations will end fairly and quickly here. Now, the workers that I talked with, they said they haven't heard much movement in the way of negotiations. Of course, we'll keep you updated. Reporting in Detroit, Scott Wolchek, Fox 2 News.